You're ready to tackle your taxes, specifically reporting the gains from your Spaceship investments. It's a key part of financial responsibility, and we'll break down the process simply. When you sell an investment in Spaceship, or if you receive distributions, you've likely realized a capital gain that needs to be reported to the Australian Taxation Office, ATO. Spaceship provides an annual tax statement, usually available in your account dashboard around July or August, which summarizes all your investment activity for the financial year. The tax statement is your primary document. It clearly outlines the amounts for capital gains, capital losses, and any distributions. You'll need to use the figures from this statement to complete the relevant sections in your tax return, specifically the Capital Gains Tax, CGT, schedule. Look for sections related to managed funds or capital gains/losses. For managed funds like those offered by Spaceship, the distributions you receive are also reported in your tax statement and need to be included as assessable income. If you've held an investment for more than 12 months before selling, you might be eligible for the 50% CGT discount, which significantly reduces the taxable gain. Your tax statement will often differentiate between discounted and non-discounted gains. If you use a registered tax agent, simply providing them with your Spaceship tax statement is usually enough, as they will handle the data entry. If you are lodging your return yourself through MyGov, the ATO often pre-fills some distribution data from the fund, but you must always verify this against your official Spaceship statement before submitting. Always keep your Spaceship tax statement records for at least 5 years, as the ATO may request documentation for any claims made in your return. Accurate reporting ensures you meet your legal obligations and only pay the tax you owe.